So I got the long anticipated DJI Action 2. Ooh. And the first thing I wanted to do is compare the quality of it to the Hero 10. A little bit of a spoiler, if you're looking into the Action 2 already, I'm gonna tell you that if you thought the Hero 10 had overheating issues, well, you're not gonna believe this because it's only lasted about 3 minutes. It's 87 degrees out here and the Hero 10 has been fine. This thing has stopped, even with a high tolerance, 2 times now, and it can't even start till it cools down. That kind of sucks.
Mr. Black.
So, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and today I wanted to just do some quick video comparisons between the Hero 10 and the DJI Action 2. So we're out here with Whiskey the dog, and we're gonna run around and just let you see a quick little video comparison. The first thing that you'll notice is the DJI color is a lot more vibrant. However, on the Hero 10, I actually had it set to natural and not vibrant, so I could have gotten a little bit more color out of it, but on the Action 2, it does make the grass look a lot greener and the sky a lot more blue. Now, because I'm shooting both at 4K 120 frames per second, it means that we can slow it down up to 4 times and still get some great quality. But let's just see which looks better slowed down. You might see it different than me, but it seems like the GoPro's image is a lot sharper. But yeah, that DJI high dynamic range looks great. Except on the Hero 10, you can see more detail on my dog because it has a brighter exposure. Whiskey, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. We're gonna test a little bit of stabilization. So this is actually running, no skateboard. I'm gonna hold this down. Okay, ready, buddy? The stabilization actually looks pretty good on both. Rocksteady and Hypersmooth, I think they both do a really great job. The DJI does have its wider field of view, but I also noticed much more warping. And I even turned off that warping effect on the Action 2, and this is still what you get. Now listen, I'm not the skinniest guy, but this warp effect makes me warp out and makes my body look very oddly shaped. You know, I need all the help I can get, and this is actually doing the opposite. All right, so this is with Rocksteady and Hypersmooth on, just kind of like a vlog and talk to the camera. All right, so this is with Rocksteady and Hypersmooth on, just kind of like a vlog and talk to the camera. It's a little audio test. Check 1, 2, DJI Action 2. Check 1, 2, Hero 10. All right. You also might notice there's a little bit of wind, so how is the wind getting picked up? You also might notice there's a little bit of wind, so how is the wind getting picked up? Picture quality, well, this is an interesting one. The Hero 10 is so much quicker. I snapped these at the exact same time, but my dog turned its head by the time the Action 2 snapped the shot. Now for me, I could just hold the pose. And as you can see, the GoPro actually has a wider picture shot, which surprised me. But let's just zoom into the image 400% and see how much more detailed they are. And if I scale the Hero 10 to match the size, the Hero 10 looks a lot sharper. Now for just a static shot on the tripod, let's just digitally zoom in so you can actually see the quality of each. And to be honest, I actually like the Hero 10 on this one. You might see it differently, but it looks sharper to me. All right, now here's a quick test just going from outside to inside to see how well it adjusts to low lighting. So here we go, inside the office. Little place where I make videos. How does that look low lighting wise compared? Little place where I make videos. How does that look low lighting wise compared? I mean, there's still outdoor lights, but here, let's cover this up. How does that look now? It's a little bit more low light. They were both at full battery at the beginning. DJI now is at 3% and the GoPro is at 50%. Obviously you can put the extra battery on it, and that's what I'm gonna have to do. And right then and there, the Action 2 ran out of battery. So I had to put it on the charger module to get it more juice, which is actually inconvenient. So quality-wise, you could see it for yourself. But let's just freeze frame it and just see how they compare. And again, in my honest and unbiased opinion, because you know I'm not on either company's payroll, they don't pay me anything and they don't give me any of these things for free. I have to pay with my own dollary dues. I'm in Australia, so I use dollary dues. But the 10 looks better overall. The DJI does have that better high dynamic range, but you also get a little bit of a darker image. And I'm also not a fan of that warping feel. So I just picked this thing up today and I really wanted to get a video out as soon as possible. So please leave a comment down below and let me know what comparisons you'd like to see in the future. I'm gonna go into the city tomorrow morning to do some more comparisons, but also highlight some features that are actually pretty cool about this thing. Overall, I would say I'm still a fan of the Hero 10. I think it's gonna win. It's different, but all right, looking forward to seeing more of what this can, but also maybe can't do, because I'm a little bit worried about the overheating issue and the battery's not. See, it stopped on, I'm on the GoPro Hero 10 now. The DJI just stopped on overheating issues. So, yeah. All right, well, we'll see what we can do, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Mr. Black.